Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you several easy ways to get free credits every day on Pixverse AI. So if you love making AI video but don't want to spend money on subscriptions, these tips will help you maximize your free credits. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is just open Pixverse AI. You can use the official websites on your computer or simply open the Pixverse mobile app like this. And then after that, just sign into your account. And as soon as you log in, Pixverse will automatically give you every user 30 credits every day like this. You can see it, and in here you don't need to complete any special tasks to claim them. Just log in and your daily credits will be added to your account. And and then now lo- and then now let's look at another way to earn even more credits. In here, just tap on this give icon, this one, after you log in. And then and then in here, whenever you generate an AI video, you will have the options to publish or share your creations. And if you choose to do that, Pixverse will reward you with 10 extra credits for publish or share content like this. You can see it. And in total, you will get 20 credits. You can see. And then there is also one more feature that many users don't realize exists. Pixverse will let you earn additional credits by watching a short ad like this. Just tap on start on this button, and then after that just watching the ad that appears, and after that you can receive up to and then after that you can receive 30 30 credits each time or each ad, and in total you will get 120 credits for 4 ads. This one is one of the quickest way to increase your daily credit balance. So in here, if you combine all of these methods, maybe you can earn up to 170 free credits every single day without paying anything. And I think for most creators that's more than enough credits to experiment with different AI video. And and I think these free credits will can help you to keep creating every day. And okay, that's all for this tutorial. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.